I couldn't believe how fast it was. It was like in and out, and it was done before I even knew it. So after the first hour, I was mainly tired. My eyes just felt tired. They just felt like they'd been awake for a long time, or like when you have a contact in that's dried out. It's kind of just discomfort. You just want to kind of have it out. But I mean, really, it wasn't that bad. I went home, had a little dinner with my kids, my wife, and went upstairs and I laid down, put my drops in, and just basically just crashed out and just fell asleep for the rest of the night. This morning it was unbelievable. I woke up and I virtually had zero pain, zero discomfort whatsoever. I was actually pretty shocked, and of course I ran out to our back room window and had to look outside, and I couldn't believe how good I could see. Well, 2015 vision is what I had this morning, and I think he was shocked too. I was shocked to say the least. I've been awake for 2 hours now, and I couldn't believe I'm seeing that good already.